Go.
So we're just on this little video on Cola here, who is our volunteer, just to show you how to bathe your dog's feet if they have a yeast infection and we want to get on top of that yeast infection. So first of all, we have our willing volunteer here. Very important to have lots of treats ready. That's very important. Okay, have a treat. Okay, good job. Right, so first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to get a bowl of nice warm water. And we're just going to dip one of the paws in that. I can't actually see outside the dog. Excellent. So we just dip the paw in the water. Actually, I can get you to hold the thumb. And then we can dip the paw in. Good job. Excellent. So that's all we need to do. Then we get our shampoo. Today we're using Malaseb, but it'll be whatever shampoo that your vet recommends. Hi, do you want another treat for being so very good? Come on, face the camera. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use concentrated shampoo directly on the foot. And it's really important that you use the shampoo at the right concentration or you won't be able to kill the yeast. So we're actually going to put that directly on the foot. It's not very much, you might notice. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to work that right into the paw. It's really, really important that we get in between the toes there, each of those toes. And then we also do around the nail bed. That's where the nail meets the foot, and that's where the yeast really like to hide. So we do in between all of those toes. Don't forget the little dew claw up here. So make sure we do that one as well. And also don't forget underneath the foot, because the yeast like to hide in between the paws here. So we're just going to use a tiny bit more shampoo there. And then we're going to massage that in underneath the paw there, okay? So then, once we've done that, we actually leave that to sit for 5 minutes. In the meantime, what we're going to do is we go around and we do each separate paw, and that uses up about 3 minutes. We're not going to do all of Cola's paws today. We'll just pretend that that's been on there for 5 minutes, and then we rinse it. So after 5 minutes, then we get our bowl of warm water again, and we just give it a nice rinse. Doesn't matter if there's a little bit of residue left behind. There we go, good job. There we go, and then we rinse that foot. Then if we're gonna rinse the other feet, we'll use some nice clean water as well. And then we'll use just a towel or an incontinence pad just to dry that foot. So again, really important, get in between the toes. Dry in between the toes. It's so good. And then underneath the foot as well. And if you want to, you can use a hairdryer to completely dry it, but try and get as dry as you possibly can. And don't forget to give your dog a treat. And that's how you do it.